So this right here is a good recipe that you can use to use up that summer squash. First thing we're going to do is add us some bacon grease to our skillet. About 2 tablespoons. And right here we have some sweet peppers, some zucchini, some squash, and some green onions and a white onion. We're going to put it all in at once. Okay, our bacon grease is melted. So we're going to go ahead now and add our squash and our zucchinis, our onions, and our peppers. Give that a mix. So this right here is a good recipe that you can use to use up that summer squash. I'm going to put a little salt. And black pepper. And let that just start sauteing up. We'll add a little garlic powder. Paprika. I'm going to put just a little lemon juice. Now we're going to let these cook till they start getting a little golden brown on them. Okay, now at this point it's almost tender. We're going to put about a tablespoon of minced garlic. We got that tender, and now we're fixing to cover that in cheddar cheese. We're using Aldi's cheddar cheese. Put the lid on it. We've got the heat turned off, and we're just going to let that sit there and simmer and melt our cheese. Let's check it and see. Ooh, that looks like it's going to be good, y'all. That's going to be good. I hope y'all give this idea on how to cook your squash this summer out of your garden. Give it a try. It's good. And here's our salmon. That butter's soaking in. And that's an easy way to cook salmon in the air fryer. And if you never knew how to take that skin off of those fillets, that's a simple way to do it. I hope y'all like this video. And if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.